How can you make every school one school for all with a lot of commitment? It takes a lot of time. It's not something that's going to happen overnight. I think you do it in cycles. You don't necessarily try and teach everybody all at the same time. You work with a small group of teachers that are proliferate throughout the school. And then by the time, I would think a 5-year cycle. If you're talking about behaviour change doesn't occur that quickly. You know, so from that perspective, you need people to be able to be given time to voice their fears, to be supported around it, to say, I don't want to do this, but I'll do it. So the One School for All really is also about bringing the parents in, bringing the children in, and all of the stakeholders that are involved. And that's a difficult thing to do.
By training, by developing courses and developing a whole school approach to this. It's not enough to have just individual teachers who understand inclusion and the concepts of inclusion. It has to be a whole school. So this is done by training, this is done by effective leadership. So what we want to see is good leadership right behind inclusion, going from the department head to the head principals, to the head of the education authority, and even from the government. So what we want to see is leadership being filtered down at all levels, which will then impact in the classroom. So to make an effective school for all is leadership, I think, is good, strong leadership, but from the whole school approach.